Really pretty. So yeah. I've been up since 4 a.m. in the morning. It's currently 6 a.m. I swear I'm taking one out the worst chilling ever. Oh, I'm so tired. I'm so hungry. I just literally left Chipotle and I did it to my dad. The moment I go to America, the first thing I want to do is eat Chipotle. And that's what I did. We're just doing some errands today. So, yeah. I'm gonna go to the mall because I want to go and clean my Pandora bracelet because it got so ugly. It got so dirty for no damn reason. So, yeah. I get in the car.
See?
So, I came to Pandora to clean my necklace and my earrings and my bracelet because it was so ugly. So, I don't know what I'm going to do later. I want to go to Victoria's Secret. I want to buy some new panties and pants. So I just got home and it's still kind of early. It's like 2 p.m. and I'm thinking of going to the beach right now. I'm thinking of going to the beach. I texted my cousin to see if he would to go with me, but if not, I might go by myself. Oh, I need to get tan. I'm like too white. I went to Victoria's Secret, guys. I went to Victoria's Secret and little haul. I got myself a mist. This is Amber Romance. I freaking love this mist. So good. Then I got myself a mini Bombshell because this is my perfume, literally. So I got 2 mists. Then I got 5 panties because it had the sale like 5 for 30. Got that. I bought some bras. I got this like really pink one, very comfy. And then I bought this push one, but you can take out the strap so it could be strapless. And then I bought this jumpsuit. I wanted it in pink, but there was no Eki Smile in pink, so I got this one. And then, so I went to clearance and I found this nightgown. Look how cute! From 60, I got it in 20 bucks. Look at the back. It's so cute. It's like a sexy gown, but I'm gonna wear it to sleep and I'm gonna feel sexy with it. So that's what I bought. Victoria's Secret. I wish there was like Victoria's Secrets in Korea, like literally, because I need to buy my bras. I lost so much weight and I lost the little bit of titties that I had. I lost them, so all my bras have like a gap. So yeah, that's that. So I want to go to the beach, but I don't know what should I do because I also want to go to Brickell at nighttime. I don't know. weather. It's literally sunny over there. And then the world just ended over here. Come on. We came to the beach and we have to leave because look at that. They're kicking everybody out. I'm telling you. Miami weather is so bipolar. Anyways, I got to enjoy the beach for like an hour. Also, parking is so expensive. I paid like $7 for the whole day. And it's a weekday. Usually I pay like $5. And $7 on the weekends. I just got it so expensive. ¡Ay, la gorra! ¡Ay, la gorra! Guys, this is unbelievable. Like literally an hour ago, it was so sunny. I can't believe the weather turned out to be like this. I mean, it's Miami. What do you expect? At least I got to enjoy the beach for like an hour. So yeah. I don't know what we're gonna do next. I know tonight I'm gonna go to Brickell, so. ¿Pero qué es esto? We came to McDonald's. ¿Eh?
¿Qué vas a grabar?
¿Dónde estábamos nosotros?
Ah.
I mean, he's my cousin. Mira para qué era que me salió. I'm a pimple, guys. ¿Ves?
Ah, sí, pero todavía no te ha salido completo.
Okay, I hit it. Angel, what did you make?
This is from Korea.
This is what? The symbol?
Yeah, the symbol. I just paste copy. Look at the paste copy.
Is it?
I just paste copy the symbol of Korea.
You just copied the symbol of Korea? ¡Cógelo, mami! ¡Castígala de lo que pide! Dame la zona que nada se prohíbe. Dale duro pa' que no se olvide. Castígala, castígala. En medio de la sucería, baby, how are you? Tengo bichos fetables, a veces son como un cayú. Besitos en el cuello, besitos en el toto. Yo sé que tú besiste, mami, que me tienes loco. We came to Brickell at this bar called Brickell. Oh my god, I got a huge-ass pimple in my forehead. And we ordered some drinks and some croquetas. So, it was a night. I'm with my cousin again. He's literally the only person going out with me. True cousin friendship. I literally had to come to the bathroom because the lady brought a drinks and the drinks literally spilled on me. I'm okay, it's just my pants got a little bit stained on the bottom, but I'm wearing white so I didn't want to get like fully stained. But they're like really pretty. Our drinks came. I got a passion fruit martini and he got... He got a sparkly passion sensation and I got a passion and love martini. So yeah. And our croquettes came. Croquetas. So guys, I came back. I did my makeup, and this hair makes me look older, like more mature. Like I love it. Like this is what I had envisioned, and it came to be.